Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get the new font here on Instagram. All right. Also, I'm going to show you how to fix it if it's not showing. Okay. This is the Rosalia font. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Now in here, let's just go ahead and tap on the A icon or the text icon. Just tap on the A icon and you should be able to see Rosalia right here. As you can see, I don't have it as well. Okay. So you're not alone. So what we'll do is just go ahead and tap on done. Right here, go back, discard, close. Now go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on the three horizontal lines like so. And then go ahead and scroll all the way down, okay? And find the early access to features, okay? Just tap on it. And then once done, tap on the slider. Make sure that it is turned on. Now it says here, with this on, you'll try new Instagram features before they are released. Instagram may be unstable because features are still in development. And you can leave this program at any time. Okay, so what we'll do is just close the Instagram app. Now go ahead and find the Play Store or App Store. Now find Instagram. Okay, type it down, and then if there are available updates right here, just go ahead and update it. Now once done, tap on open. Now go ahead and try to add in a story. Okay, for example, this one right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on the photo and you should be able to see Rosalia right here. Now you might ask, why don't I have the Rosalia font? Okay, this feature right here is still rolling out. Just wait for your turn. Okay, now for older phones, this feature might not work. Okay, as you can see here, I do have an older phone, but maybe in the future, Instagram right here will roll out that feature in my specific phone. Okay, but if it's not the case for you, you have the Rosalia font, just go ahead and use it. And here again in this section and just start typing. And then once done, enjoy. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.